In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the menu in Squarespace. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your website and then go to Pages. In here, you can see you have main navigation, and this is essentially going to be your menu, which is by default going to appear up top in the right over here. So we're going to go and basically drag these not linked sites or pages inside main navigation, and what you'll be able to see there on the right hand side up top, it's actually going to update our menu, and that way we're actually editing it, okay? So I have like 4 pages over here. I'm going to drag them in here. There we go. They're all up here. So that's the first way to do it, okay? Then you can go to the Edit tab, and in here, if you refresh, it's going to basically refresh everything, and you'll be able to see everything that you have added inside your menu. That's one way to do it. The second way is if you want a drop-down menu. Of course, you could also do that, completely up to you. So to actually achieve a drop-down menu, here under main navigation, you want to click on the plus button. And then from here, scroll down, you have a drop down, click on that, and then you simply drag everything into the drop down list. There we go. As you can see, now sometimes it may be a bit hard to reach. There we go. And I'm gonna actually drag all of those in here, and you'll see everything will now go inside this drop down menu, just like that over here on the right. Now there's a new drop down, and of course this hasn't updated yet, even though I've put it in here. So if I refresh the site, you'll be able to see simply the new drop down, and of course you can change the name of it. You can of course customize it, and I'll show you how to do that in a few seconds. So here, new drop down, you can just name it, for example, menu, and it's going to change over here as well whenever you refresh. And there we go. Now if I hover over it, I can go and navigate via this menu over here. Now to visually edit this, you can go to the Edit tab up top, and from here click on Edit Site Header, and from here go to Edit Design. Now in here you can change the layout, so if you want it to be somewhere else like this, for example, you can do it over here. There's a bunch of different ways you can do this. I'm just gonna leave it by default. Then you have like link spacing, stuff like that. You could change colors of your header. You could go solid, for example, and then change the color of the background, stuff like this. It's completely up to you. And then of course for different styles you have up here, you have the option to choose styles, headings, colors, buttons, etc. You can customize everything in here as well. So that's essentially how you can do this, how you can edit your menu in Squarespace. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.